Hello, YouTube and TikTok. We're just back for we're having a conversation with Zippy. So, what did you think of your what did you think of your parrot food? There we are. And what have you got to say to the lady in the pet shop for your parrot food? Nothing. You're in one today, aren't you? You're going to listen to Aqua. I went to go on down there. Oh dear, here we go. You want Rosie? Are you telling me what are you? Hello? Are you doing your Obi-Wan Kenobi? Are you gonna go, hello there? You want Rosie? Okay, well, I can't help if she won't come up. You love her, eh? Oh dear. So what we're gonna watch tonight, Zippy? There we go. A what? Alright. English, please. English, please, Mr. Zippy. Have you got any? You've been a silly again, aren't you? Is this a conversation with Zippy? And what have Zippy got to say? Hello? There we are. There we are. How are we doing? I'm doing very well. Okay. Alright. What did you say to the lady in Nixon's pet shop? Have you got anything to say for the lady in the pet shop? What have you got to say? Thank you for the parrot food. Was it good parrot? Was it good parrot food? Okay. Alright. So what are you going to do tonight? What are you going to watch on telly tonight? What are you going to watch on telly? Wherever. There we are. Okay. You're in a daft one. So that's a conversation with a tongue